Hello everybody. Well, we've been shooting today. We're out there, all parked out there. We're set up. We got targets. We're at the 50-yard range here. They're going up pulling targets. It's the evening time. We've been shooting all day. Luis is here. He's doing something. We got some carnage here. We don't know what happened, but from the evidence, it looks like I don't know, like something happened. Yeah, somebody took a headshot. Those dead eyes over here. He's an eagle eye. This guy can see it through a dirt mound. He knows they're around. We've been shooting all day. It's been good. It's been a good time. Well, let's get targets. See y'all later. All right, we're up towards the top where the road is. See the long distance victim. Oh, he's having a bad day. Let's take a walk down the hill here. We're just picking up targets again. And that was like, I don't know, how many yards was that?
I think it was like 160.
160 yards. This is a massacre. There's more here somewhere. Where are they all at? They're everywhere. Oh, there they are. There's more. It's a bad scene. It's been a bad scene. Alright, we're walking down here. More so about tripping these ruts. This is 100 yards. Right here. Oh. Ooh. Juicy. They're exploding. Alright, well, we're going to do some more shooting, I guess. Part of the team's leaving. Part of the team is staying here to shoot some more. And I'm staying to shoot a little bit more. Well, that's all. Talk to you all later again. All right, we're back here at the vehicles. Oh, there's some more. These were close range assassinations. All right, everybody. These guys are heading out. We're done. We're gonna shoot a little bit more though.